Okay, so this isn't financial advice. Uh, this is for educational, entertainment purposes only. Um, so this was my prediction about a little over a month ago. It's an update. Obviously, there's more pullback than I expected, but overall, it seems to be heading in the overall direction I predicted. Um, Whether or not it stops up here, well, we'll see. And one of the reasons why I was thinking it was going to turn around here, flip around, was if you look on the 4 hour, you can see that there's some um, divergence in the MACD with the price action, and so that's how come I figured that it was likely that it was going to flip around and go the other directions very soon. There's a little bit more pullback, but nonetheless, as long as you didn't go too crazy on the leverage, then you should have been able to profit off of this if you decided to. But always be careful with leverage, um, as that's how the market moves. Is when people put too much money in leverage, and they create big openings for people to liquefy their assets, and they move the market. That's how it kind of works. Um, this line here has been our support and resistance throughout the bull market. Um, and so if I zoom out here, you'll see support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then resistance, right? So we have to kind of reclaim that, but that's probably going to take time. I think this is going to break down again. We're going to have this kind of flag out a bit, and then once it flags out, then we can go back up to a little higher top or whatever. But unless we break this line, which we followed throughout the last couple bull runs, right? Like everything's kind of followed this. Until we break that, there's no way we're getting into some sort of ridiculous numbers or whatever in the short term. I see predictions of like ridiculous numbers in a couple years, and it's possible, but this has to go beyond. There's no numerical reason why no mathematical reason why we should think that it would go that high that quickly. Eventually it will. Eventually it'll be into the millions and whatever else. But like in the next 4 years, probably the next bull run will be 500,000. You know, like don't believe uh, when people say ridiculous numbers in terms of trying to get people to go crazy into it or whatever. But it's possible, but highly unlikely. And anyways, we'll see how it goes. Tell me what you think. Whether you think it's gonna reverse up here and bounce around like this, or if it's going to do something else crazy, or if you think I may be onto it. Anyways, good luck to all of you. Don't go in with too much leverage, because leverage wrecks people. And see you in the next one. I'll try and do more updates so that we can follow through with this price action, see if it's anywhere close.